It's hard to stop taking things personally. If you often feel worthless due to others' bullying behavior or perceive their actions as subtle insults, it's essential to recognize that these behaviors are often reflections of their own issues rather than your worth. Understanding the underlying reasons for their actions, such as their upbringing or emotional state, can help you stop taking things personally. Building self-confidence through assertive communication, acknowledging your strengths, and practicing self-soothing can provide resilience against negative remarks. Additionally, consider addressing past experiences that may have heightened your sensitivity to rejection and seek support from a counselor if needed. Cultivating positivity, surrounding yourself with positive people, and taking care of your physical well-being can further boost your self-esteem and help you navigate interpersonal challenges more effectively.